Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that I know resonates with a lot of you, choosing the right skills for the future. I've been meeting so many students and friends who are feeling a bit lost, and that's why I wanted to share some insights, practical resources, and common mistakes to avoid. So, grab a notepad because we're about to get started. First things first, let's bust a common misconception. Just because AI is trending doesn't mean you have to become an AI developer. In fact, you can enhance whatever you're doing right now by incorporating AI. It's all about using AI as a tool to level up your game, whether you're into management, design, development, sales, or content creation. Now let's talk about building your skill set. Ever heard of a T-shaped personality? Back in college, I was deep into graphic design, but I didn't stop there. I added video editing, communication, and sales to my toolkit. It's about having a core skill, the vertical bar of the T, and complementing it with other skills. Trust me, this T-shaped approach opens doors to incredible opportunities. Here's a truth bomb: anyone can learn anything nowadays. Information is at our fingertips thanks to platforms like YouTube. Don't let your background limit you. With the right mindset, determination, and a solid learning plan, you can pick up almost any skill. Alright, let's dive into the first skill, being a content enabler. With the surge of content creators, there's a gold rush happening. But instead of chasing the gold, consider selling the shovels. Become a master at editing, scripting, or managing talent. You can support multiple creators, build your own agency, and trust me, the opportunities are endless. Quick heads up for aspiring editors: it's not just about knowing the tools like Premiere Pro. Understand the art of editing, the psychology of what makes a video engaging. And yes, don't hesitate to invest in tools like Splice or Epidemic Sound. It's a game changer. Learn from the pros. When you consume content, analyze why it works. Break down successful scripts, dissect engaging videos. The more reasons you identify, the closer you get to replicating that success consistently. Now let's talk about a field that's often overlooked: augmented and virtual reality. The shift is happening from mobile to headsets. Imagine designing experiences for Meta Quest or Apple Vision Pro. The demand for RVR designers will skyrocket, and the supply is low. Be the one who bridges that gap. If this sounds intimidating, fear not. Hackathons and competitions are great places to start. Check out platforms like HackerEarth or MLH for RVR tracks. And for those who prefer a guided path, consider programs like Hero Wired Certificate in Extended Reality. It's a game changer. Lastly, let's talk about the future of AI bots. ChatGPT, Google Bard, and others are cool, but imagine customizing them for specific use cases. That's the next big thing. It's about understanding APIs, the language mostly Python, and building solutions tailored for businesses. It might sound technical, but with the right resources, anyone can get started. And hey, if the technical side isn't your forte, remember what Nal Ravikant says: you're either a builder or a seller. If you're a seller type, collaborate with a builder. Together, you can achieve amazing things. Before I wrap it up, two important reminders. 1. Stick to a 15-day plan and document your learning. It keeps you accountable and motivated. And 2. Be practical. Building expertise takes time, around 60 to 90 days to make something tangible. So, don't be discouraged, keep at it. Alright folks, that's a wrap for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on upskilling, UX design, and all things tech. As always, take care of your mind and body. This is your host signing out. See you in the next one.